What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today I'm pretty excited because I get to feature a fully built BMW track car on the channel. Let's go. So some of you may not know, but my brother-in-law is a semi-pro track driver. Yeah, he goes to the track very often. He's on his second BMW build, and he is, you know what, I'm using my stabilizer, my gimbal, and it's freaking heavy as heck. Anyways, he's on his way right now to my garage. He's gonna park his car here. Meanwhile, he goes to work, and then later on we're gonna take both his car and my 440 onto the track. I'm not gonna track the 440 because I am not ready for that. I have a lot of work to do before I can get this car to be track ready, but I'm gonna join him. I'm gonna record his process on going on the track, and it's gonna be a couple of other M cars out there, and I'm pretty excited about that. It's gonna be my first time being on the track, but anyways, this video is gonna showcase his build. So guys, for all of you that have been wanting to see a fully built BMW track car, it's an E36. Get ready, because this video is gonna blow your mind. All right, let's get to it.